If water still leaks after replacing a shingle, act quickly to identify whether the leak is from the new shingle or from hidden damage nearby. Start by removing the replaced shingle and the surrounding shingles to inspect the roof deck and underlayment for rot or saturation, because water often tracks under and beyond the visible damage. Carefully run a water test with a hose starting low on the roof and moving upward for at least 15 minutes while someone observes inside to pinpoint the active leak path. Check all nail holes and fastener points near the repair and reseal them with a quality polymer roofing sealant applied from beneath the shingle tab so the sealant sits under the lap rather than on top. Inspect flashing at valleys, chimneys, vents, and skylights, since a broken flashing or poorly seated step flashing will bypass a perfectly replaced shingle. Lift adjacent shingles and make sure flashing is snug and sealed. Replace any saturated or soft roof deck sections with new sheathing cut to fit and sealed at seams with roofing cement before installing new underlayment and shingles. If the underlayment is compromised, install a peel and stick water and ice barrier or a high-quality synthetic underlayment across the repair area, lapping properly toward the eaves and over existing underlayment to create positive water flow. 3 common mistakes cause persistent leaks: failing to check flashing and penetration points, which leaves the true failure unaddressed, not replacing wet or rotted deck material, which allows leaks to continue despite surface repairs, and using incompatible or low-quality sealants that break down quickly under sun and temperature cycling. For flashing problems, lift nearby shingles and reseat or replace the flashing, applying roofing cement where the metal meets the roof deck and under shingle laps so water cannot run behind it. For rotten deck, cut out the soft area back to solid wood, install a properly fitted replacement patch and fasten it with corrosion-resistant screws before reapplying underlayment and shingles. For sealant failures, remove old residue and apply a polymer roofing sealant rated for ultraviolet exposure and roof movement, and secure fasteners with an approved roofing adhesive rather than relying on sealant alone. We run bighomeprojects.com as a hub where homeowners can find local contractors and contractors can find work connected to roofing and other home projects. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and get real-world advice about repairs and hiring.